Are you tired of being stuck with those 12-second AI video clips that don't tell a full story? Today, we're breaking those limits. I'm going to show you how to create full 10-minute AI movies from a single prompt. And the best part? These aren't just for fun. People are getting millions of views on social media using this exact tool. Look at this reel right here. Millions of views, cinematic quality, and all generated using AtLabs AI. In this video, I'm going to share the secret method so you can start creating viral, long-form content today. Let's dive in. To create an amazing AI film, we're using AtLabs AI. It's a powerhouse, all-in-one video creation suite offering 50+ AI models, like Kling, Google Veo, Nano Banana Pro, and Runway, all under one single subscription. I've put the link in the description below. Once you've created your account, you'll land on this dashboard. This is the prompt box where the magic starts. You can turn a simple idea, a full script, or even an existing audio file into a professional video. Let's start with something simple. In the prompt box, I'll enter benefits of working in a co-working space. Now here is a game changer. You can now select a 10-minute clip size directly from the prompt settings. No more stitching tiny clips together. Next, pick your style. Whether you want 3D realistic, anime, or cinematic, AtLabs has a vast library. Select your aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9. Choose your duration and set your language. It supports over 50 languages. Hit generate, and the AI begins analyzing your idea, writing the script, storyboarding the scenes, and composing the final visuals. And here it is, the video is ready. You can play the video from here.
Picture this. 20 freelancers, startups, and entrepreneurs gather under one roof. This isn't just any ordinary office. It's a co-working space bustling with energy. Imagine walking...
This is really quite a good video. I love it. However, we see some flaws in the video. We can improve them. To edit the video, simply click on the Edit Video button from here. Now this is where AtLabs really beats the competition. Frame-by-frame editing. Most AI tools give you a video and you're stuck with it. Here, you have total control. At the top of the preview panel, you will find options to crop the video. You can crop the frame if you need. This will help you to find the perfect frame. Next, you will find the trim option. If your video clips are longer than a scene, you can trim the video and find the best moment, and if you need the full video clips in the shot, then use the playback speed option to adjust the speed. You can also flip the video and reverse it if needed. Alright, now if you are not satisfied with the result of any scene, you can recreate the scene. For example, for this third scene, I want to change this character to a male character. So I will recreate this scene. If you want to create the scene again, come to the Visual tab. Here, in the Generate tab, you can enter the visual action and the image prompt to generate the image. In the Library tab, you will find all your generated assets. After that, in the Stock tab, you will find a vast library of royalty-free images and videos. You can use them in your video. However, if you already have the scene image or video, click on the upload icon from here and then upload the footage. However, I will edit the image instead of generating it again. So, come to the Edit Image tab. First of all, select the image generation model. You will find a vast number of powerful image generation models, including Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Flux 2, and GPT Image. Once the model is selected, select the image you want to edit. After that, you can add reference images. In the end, enter the text prompt for what changes you want in the image and then hit the Generate button. You have to wait for some time to generate the image. And here it is, the image is ready, and this is perfect. Now we have to turn this image into a video clip. To do that, come to the Motion feature. This is where you can turn any image into a video clip. First of all, select the video generation model. You will find a bunch of options, including Seedance 1.5, Veo 3.1, Hilo 2.3, Kling 2.6, and other latest and powerful models. Each one has its own capability. It's a great opportunity to have access to all the models inside one workflow. Now, you can use any model as per your need. Once the model is selected, select the image and then enter the text or motion prompt. Once done, set all other settings, and then hit the Generate Video button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. Now, in the same method, review all the scenes and do all the adjustments if needed. Now imagine I want to create a lip sync in this scene. To create the lip sync, come to the lip sync generator tab from here. The scene is selected. Now we have to select the model first. You will find several models. I am selecting the Kling lip sync generator option. At the bottom, you will find the audio clip.
Boosting your creativity and productivity.
If you want to change the audio clip, then come to the voiceover section. Here, you can upload the audio or generate a new audio clip. To generate the audio clip, enter the script here in this box, select the accent, and then the voice actor. After that, you can add emotion. Once done, hit the generate button. After a few seconds, you will find the audio clip.
Imagine boosting your creativity and productivity by working in a vibrant setting.
Once the voiceover clip is ready, come to the lip sync tab. Our model, video clip, and voiceover are ready. Now, simply click on the apply button from here, and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready.
Imagine walking in and seeing others just like you, focused and driven.
The lip sync is working perfectly. In this method, you can customize the video. There are so many other video editor features available here. You can split the scenes, add B-rolls, and customize the caption. And in the Settings tab, you can customize the fit size, background, transitions, and others. Once the video editing is completed, close this window. Okay, our video is ready. Now, just click on the export button from here. You will have 3 options. You can share the video with a link, save the video on your device, or save as a Premiere Pro file. I am downloading the video. Okay, our video is ready.
Picture this: 20 freelancers, startups, and entrepreneurs gather under one roof. This isn't just any ordinary office. It's a co-working space bustling with energy. Imagine walking in and seeing others just like you, focused and driven. Studies show 70% of co-working members report increased work satisfaction.
So, now you can create up to 10-minute long videos with a single line of prompt. Now imagine you already have a script or a screenplay, and you want to create the video. What should you do? To do that, come to the dashboard and then the Workflow tab. Here you will find various tools and workflows. Now imagine I have a script, and I want to make the video. So, I am selecting the script to video workflow. Okay, this is the script to video workflow. Here in this box you have to enter the script. You can also write the script using AI. If you already have a screenplay, you can come to the Add Your Screenplay tab and create the script. As I have the script, I am pasting it here. Now set the language. After that, come to the settings icon and set the video pace. Once everything is set, hit the next button. The AI has detected the screenplay. This is amazing. Now click here and the AI will create a perfect screenplay for you. And this is a perfect screenplay. It described the scene and each element perfectly. If you find anything wrong, you can customize it. Now click on the next button to move forward. On the next page, we have to set some settings. First of all, select the aspect ratio of the video. I will go with 16:9. Next, we have to set the video style. You can move forward with AI video, storyboard, stock videos, or your own uploads. In the end, select the visual style. You will find a bunch of options. Once everything is set, hit the next button. On the next page, we have to select the narration voice and characters. So select the accent and then select a voice actor. You will find a bunch of options. Just listen to some of them and then select the best one. Next, come to the character settings. Here you can notice all the characters detected by AI. If you want to customize any character, simply click here. You can create a new character, choose from the character library, or even upload your own character. I will create a new character. If you think you need to create a new character, click here and then create, select, or upload the character. Okay, all of our characters are ready. Now, you just have to click on the Generate Video button from here. Now, it will take some time to generate the video. I will fast forward the video. And here it is, the video is ready.
The gods do not speak in whispers anymore. They scream, in the thunder and in the blood of the fallen.
This is really a good video. However, we see some flaws in the video. We can improve them. To edit the video, simply click on the Edit Video button here. Now, like the previous video, customize the video. Spend proper time to customize the video. Once you are done, save the video to your device.
The gods do not speak in whispers anymore. They scream in the thunder and in the blood of the fallen.
So, now you can create this kind of video from an idea or your script. You can even turn any audio or voiceover clip into a video clip within 2 minutes. Create avatar-based videos for any kind of product promotion or other use cases. You will also find a vast number of AI video and AI image tools to generate and modify images and videos. You will get access to 50+ AI models under one subscription to create content. You can create any kind of content here. And because it's the start of the year, I have a special gift for you. If you sign up now using the link below, you can get 25% off an annual plan with their New Year's offer. So, if you are a content creator or even a marketer, don't forget to try AtLabs. The link will be in the description. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of content you'd like to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.